Hi everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw Crimson Axe. Okay, pencils first and then Sharpie. So if you don't want to watch the pencil portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out, look in the description and you'll see a link you can click on, a timestamp for the Sharpie portion of the video. There's also going to be one for color. So for those of you that are going to stick around, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then we'll ink it in. And you know what also? I'm going to be using a straight edge too. So for those of you that are skipping, you don't know that yet. For those of you that are sticking around, I'm going to be using a ruler because the handle is pretty much just a straight edge. So that's why I'm going to be using that. Okay, so this should be pretty easy, fairly easy. I mean, what's funny is, well, it's Crimson Axe, right? That's what it's called, Crimson Axe. It looks like a fireman's axe. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know my history. Maybe that's where firemen got it from, for like the medieval looking, or the, you know, the medieval times, the, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. All right. I like that. But, I don't know. Maybe I'm just imagining that the firemen because this part looks like a fire hydrant. I could be wrong. But it doesn't matter because this is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. There, I think we're good with that. And that's lower, that's higher. Yeah, we're good there. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Let's get started. So let's get ready to introduce ourselves to the people that skipped. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the hello, skippers. Welcome to the Sharpie section of this video. This is the part where I'm going to use the Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen and a ruler. You didn't hear that because you jumped ahead. When I sketched it out, I told those people, so they went and got one. They were paying attention. Anyway, I'm going to be using mostly the fine point, but every now and then I'll jump in with the Sharpie pen just for some tiny little details to make it look good. So I'm going to start off with the ruler and the Sharpie fine point, just to give us that straight edge here, and build off of this. Okay, and so I'm just going to move it over just a little bit. I'm just kind of eyeballing. It doesn't matter to me whether it's perfectly parallel. I'm going to get as close as possible. I'm just going to eyeball it. That's it. And just draw the other side like that. And there, good enough. So since we're here, let's finish this off. Let's just gonna round it off like that, just a little bit, and draw the edge. Looks like a shell, but hey, I don't know. I don't do these. I don't make these things. I just draw them. Okay, so I'm gonna follow my sketch, and I think I can go ahead. No. I was gonna just draw the line all the way across, but it's not like that. Here's what I'm gonna do. Watch this. Watch this. I'm going to build with this Sharpie, then draw over it. So I'm going to draw the edge like this, and I'm going to come down and swoop it in, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to fix that in a second. I was just drawing this edge is basically what I was doing. Then come back up and connect it there. And the reason I did that is because I want that little thin edge to represent the middle. So now I'm just going to come back here and I'm going to thicken this up with this Sharpie, come back around, go back up to about right here. And then I'm going to draw this edge like this. And so see, now I've got that thin line there accenting the edge of it. I'll do that with this too. So I'm just going to build off of that. So I'm going to go up, and here, let's do it with this one too. Just to accent those edges that I don't really want to draw, but I want there, you know? So heck, let's just do this one too. Okay, so this one is going to have an edge right here. There. Okay, so now I can just trace over some of that stuff and hide. So now we got like a cool little inking technique that accents some of our edges. Okay, And come back over here across, follow that like that, and come down and do that. So see, I've got just those little accents, and color is going to hide a lot of that too. They're a little too thin, so I'm going to thicken some of them up. Just to like I said, give us a cool little inking technique. All right, so I'm going to draw these levels here like this, then go across like that, and let's do that one too, like that. Okay, and so now I'm just going to draw the little pine cone pointy point. I know it's not a pine cone, but I got to call it something, right? Why would I call it what it's supposed to be? That's ridiculous. I'm just going to add a little bit of this detail like that. Okay. Oh, and you know what? There is this studded centerpiece. But I think I'll do that with color. I'm just going to draw the knobs right there. And the rest of that I'll do with color. Well, no, let's do it. Let's just do it. Just going to come around like this. And reconnect it at the top. Like that. All right. And let's see. There is another level like this. So we'll go ahead and add that. There we go. It's just something, you know, just to give us a little bit of fun technique. Most of it's going to be taken care of with color, but we'll just do that for ourselves, you know, just to have some fun. Okay, so again, I'm going to bring this over and do like that. And see, it's not straight, but that's okay. If yours isn't, it's no big deal. This I wanted straight. That, I don't care. I'm just going to bring it back over. Do like this. Reconnect all those lines and take care of the rest with color. But before I do that, I'm going to add just a little bit of this, just like that. This is a little other level, like that. And there you go. Now I'm going to take care of the rest with color. So that is Crimson Axe. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.